a Florida. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and today I received this parcel from the UK from my good friend James. I don't know what's in it. Let's open it up together. So James is Slug Plants on Instagram, and just like me, he is actually a yoga teacher. So we bonded right away. We have so much in common. He said, here's a tracking number. It should arrive this week. I don't know what's in it. I'm pretty nervous and scared and excited all at the same time. Newspaper. I see a leaf. I see a leaf. Oh my god, I can't believe he did it. It's taped to the box. Hold on. I can't believe he did this. He told me a year ago that he would do this or something. I didn't think he would actually do it because that's crazy. That is a Florida beauty! Oh my god, James! It's so beautiful. Look. Let me see. The roots. Oh, this is, if you don't know, this is a Philodendron Florida Beauty. It is my #1 wishlist plant. It is crazy expensive right now. I would not be able to buy one. And he just gave me a cutting. A really, really pretty cutting too. Ah! Open, open, open. I hope I can keep this alive because the higher on the wish list, the scarier to take care of. Oh, it's a Ziploc bag that I just cut open. Sorry. Sorry, Ziploc bag. It's already growing too. Trying to carefully cut this open without cutting any roots. Hi, Mickey. This is Mickey. Do you like my new plant? Okay, guys. Oh, do you like the box? Okay. Come right in. Come right in. So, James, thank you so much from Mickey, who has a new home for this week. Oh! The leaf fell off. Mickey! Mickey, komis! Komis! So, the main leaf fell off from probably either being old or being a little bit too wet in shipping. But, Mickey, put your ass out of the shot, please. Come on. Come on. How am I in the box? In the box. In the box. Good. So this is quite normal with making propagations. It's sad, but I'm going to put this in water to just admire. What we have here is the actual cutting. Oh, and go follow James' Instagram account, Slug Plants, but he also has a YouTube channel with amazing content where he shows you all his amazing rare plants and how he propagates them, and he talks about different plant shops and what he thinks about them. So go check him out. I think his channel is called James Armstrong. That seems to have rooted already and is growing. Big truck. Yes. So I'm just trying to take the moss off. I don't like moss very much because you never know if you're pulling off moss or a root. So maybe I should just leave it on. But it's really well rooted. It has some main roots and then some side roots also. So that's really awesome. And there is new growth right there. Can you see? I hope you can see this. Yay! So this is gonna be my Florida beauty. I'm so shocked. James, I'm so shocked. Thank you so much. This is gonna be kept in water. I hope it survives very long. I'm gonna post it on Instagram right now. And yeah, that is my #1 wish list plant magically arriving in the mail. Ah! Let me know, what is one plant that you received from someone as a surprise that you really liked? Let me know in the comments. I wonder if I should put this in moss again or in soil. Looks like it's ready for soil. I'm gonna ask James. It's now evening. I checked with James on Instagram and he said to keep the cutting in moss for now until it puts out the first leaf, and then we can transfer it to soil. So I'm going to show you it as it chills in my terrarium. In the meantime, on Instagram, I put out a poll and a question box thingy to find a good name for this beauty, even though this leaf has already died off from the plant. And we decided to name him Beau, like B-E-A-U, which is actually a Dutch boy's name, and it's also really nice to fit with beauty. Beauty, you know? So let's look at Beau in the terrarium. For now, he lives in here. Here we are. He doesn't look super impressive just yet, but I'm excited to see him grow. Can you see that fuzzy little root right there on, like, catching onto his own stem? It's quite fun. And then there on the corner, that's where the old leaf used to be. It looks kind of like foamy, weird. Maybe you got too wet in that plastic Ziploc bag or something. But yeah, this is Beau with his friend Reggie and his other friend Alfonso and all his other crystallinum friends chilling. I can't wait to see how he grows. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. And what else do I say? Oh, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I heard from someone that actually a lot of people have been unsubscribed magically when they thought they were subscribed. So check that if you want to. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!